Now let us start with the second concept, that is in terms of hydrogen atom. Now here again we will see how we can define oxidation reaction, reduction reaction and the redox reaction. So we will start with the first, that is oxidation reaction. Now how we can define the oxidation reaction? So remember, the removal of hydrogen atom from the element or substance is called as an oxidation process. For example, 2H2S plus O2 gives 2S plus you will get H2O in liquid. Okay. Now in this particular reaction, the hydrogen atom from your hydrogen sulfide removed. Okay, it is removed, and as there is a removal of hydrogen atom takes place, hence this reaction is known as an oxidation process 1. Okay, hydrogen atom is removed from your hydrogen sulfide 1, hence this reaction is known as an oxidation process. How we can define the reduction reaction? Now next, that is your reduction reaction. So here exactly opposite definition of your oxidation process 1. Now what about the reduction reaction? So here there is a removal of hydrogen atom, so obviously here will be the addition of hydrogen atom to the element or substance is called as an reduction reaction or reduction process. For example, that is CH2 double bond CH2, that is nothing but your ethylene, plus H2, that is your hydrogen gas. So when the ethylene pass over the hydrogen gas, it gives ethane, CH3 CH3. Okay, so in this particular reaction, the two hydrogen atom from your hydrogen gas is added across this double bond, as there is addition of hydrogen takes place, hence this reaction is known as a reduction reaction. Now let us define the redox reaction. Now see, that is redox reaction. So obviously from the previous definition you can easily define the redox reaction. So what is exactly the redox reaction? Obviously removal of hydrogen and the addition of hydrogen, which takes place simultaneously within the same chemical reactions. Now that reaction is known as a redox reaction 1. So the removal of hydrogen atom and not or, okay, and the addition of hydrogen atom within the same reaction. Now that process is known as an redox reaction 1. Let us consider the example, that is 2H2S plus Cl2 gas. It gives H2S in the gaseous state plus chlorine gas gives 2HCl plus sulfur in solid state. Okay, so this is So now in this particular example, the hydrogen atom from the sulfur get removed. Okay, so as here the removal of hydrogen atom takes place. Okay, hence this process will be, obviously you have studied, and hence this process will be the oxidation process. It is very simple. And as the addition of here, the addition of hydrogen takes place, hydrogen atom takes place, hence this process will be the reduction process 1. Okay, Cl2 converting into the HCl. So here is addition of hydrogen takes place across the chlorine gas bond. So this is about your redox reaction.